Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast. I'm actually doing a voiceover on this particular piece because it was raining so hard and thundering that I couldn't even hear myself think. What I did, it was a scraped canvas, a canvas that, well, I didn't actually scrape it, I just used the balloon to smudge in all the colours. And I thought, I'm just going to have a play with this. And so the white that you see me put on there was the Amsterdam white mixed with the liquid gold, the Aussie Floetrol. And as you can see, it just gave some absolutely gorgeous cells, which I'll bring you in for a close-up in a second. So I was just, just going for it and having a real, nice relaxing time. I had some music on trying to drown out the sound of the thunder and lightning and the rain, so you might see a bit of flickers in the actual video, but if not, all good. I will actually jump in where I feel I need to and explain what I'm doing, but please enjoy. I'm just putting some puddles down now, so I've put the cool red, and this is the wattle, is it wattle, not wattle yellow, I can't think of the name of it, it has eluded me, but it's like a cool yellow. And this is it was purple, and I added a bit of the high flow dioxazine purple, whatever you say, to give it an even more brilliant, sort of nice luscious colour. So I'm just puddle pouring on there, and then I'm going to finish off or top that puddle with again a bit of the cell activator, which is the Floetrol and Amsterdam paint in this particular one, and give them well, I'll let you see what I'm going to do. I decided to use my balloon instead of, I was going to blow them out, and then I thought, no, I might end up blowing all those lovely cells away that I've got there. And they are really gorgeous cells that look so they're beautiful. I just didn't want to lose them. So this now, just pushing the balloon into those puddles everywhere, sort of gives it a really like 3D floating effect of sort of that, yeah, the balloon work, the balloon medallions or balloon kisses kind of look as though they're floating there with the background. So it was just really nice and peaceful doing this, and just such a lovely result with beautiful colours. So I was very, very happy doing this one. As you can see, I was enjoying this immensely. I probably went overboard, but as I tell you, it's your art, your rules, your way. But it looks so gorgeous, like a really sort of, yeah, 3D effect, and like they're floating. Summer garden for those that are craving summer. We're in our summer in Australia, but there's lots of people that are not. So just bringing you a little bit of summer, and those flowers there that I'm dipping that balloon in that area with just the white and the purple, they are so gorgeous close up. So I will put some close-up photos on at the end, and I was really, really happy with this one. It just made me feel happy, and ultimately that's what it's all about. It's the happiness it brings to you. It's not the criticism you may get, it's the happiness it brings to you, and that's all that matters. So my lovelies, please take care of yourselves, and if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, call a friend, a family member or a helpline. I'm a happy Jilly with this one, just love it. Until tomorrow, bye for now. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous cells, they're so beautiful.